Good morning, dear students. As in the previous classes, we have completed the exercise. Now, today we will complete the question answer of this chapter and the in between exercises. So, we are here with chemical and chemical changes. I said that I will completely solve your doubts, but due to some problem, I was out. So, I will solve your doubt in my next class. Today, we will complete the question answer of this chapter. Okay, let's start this. First exercise, it is given on here. Compound is a mixture formed by chemical combination of two or more elements. Oxygen is an element and water is a compound. Molecule is the smallest particle of a compound. Mixture retains the property of the component. Fe is the chemical symbol of iron. Next, a molecule of water contains 2 atoms of hydrogen and 1 atom of oxygen. The chemical formula for sulfuric acid is H2SO4. A new substance is formed in a chemical change. Iron reacts with oxygen in presence of moisture to form rust. Carbon dioxide is released when vinegar reacts with baking soda. Common salt, NaCl, rust, iron oxide, cut fruits, melanin, lime water, calcium hydroxide. Next, question answers. Define elements in compound. Give an example of each. So this answer is given on page 42. So here is your first answer is. You will start from first. You will write the side heading elements, and then you will start from here. Pure substance that are made up of only one kind of atom and cannot be broken down into simpler substance by chemical means are called elements. Silver, gold, aluminum, oxygen, and hydrogen are example of elements. This is first part. That is element, and the definition of compound is here. Compound, you will start from here. Pure substance that are formed when two or more elements combine chemically are called compounds. What is an example of compound? This is second part of your answer number first. Got this? Now second answer. Second question is what is atom? This answer is given on page 42. An atom is the smallest, most stable particle of a chemical substance. First you will write till here, then you will start from here. Atoms may or may not are formed independently, while molecules or elements exist independently. This is your answer number 2. Next, third answer. Identify the elements represented by the chemical symbol. So, answer number third is given here. You can write from here. Ba barium, Fe iron, Zn zinc, S sulfur, Au gold. This is your answer number third. Next, answer number fourth. Write the chemical symbol for each of the following. So, aluminium is represented by Al, iodine is represented by I, fluorine is represented by F, mercury is represented by Hg, and potassium is represented by K. Got this? Next, what is atomicity? Give two example, each for monoatomic and diatomic elements. Fourth answer, again I am repeating, aluminium Al, iodine I, fluorine F, mercury Hg, and potassium K. This is your answer number fourth. Fifth answer is given on page 45. It is given here, the number of atom present in one molecule of an element is known as atomicity. Monoatomic, the elements can be classified on the basis of atomicity. So here it is given, monoatomic element existing as a single atom, example helium, neon, sodium, and iron. Diatomic, elements having two in its molecule, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. Tetraatomic, elements having four elements in its compound, example phosphorus. So this is your answer number. This was your answer number 5th. Now 6th. Represent following using chemical symbol. 2 atoms of helium. So we will write 2 atoms of helium as 2He. A molecule of element phosphorus. Here it is, remember, molecule is given, not atom. So molecule is always of phosphorus always has 4 atoms in it. So we will represent it by P4. A molecule of compound water, H2O. 4 molecules of compound carbon dioxide, 4CO2. Next, write the chemical formula for the following compound: sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic hydrochloric acid. So it is given here. Answer number 7th, sulfuric acid, is given here. Sulfuric acid, H2SO4, nitric acid, HNO3, and hydrochloric acid, HCl. So this is your answer number 7. Name the elements present in the following compound: CO2 NaCl. So it is given here, page, you write from here, CO2, carbon and oxygen, sodium and chlorine, CH4, carbon and hydrogen, and MgO, magnesium and oxygen. So this is your answer number 8. If you want to write, you can pause the video and write it down. Next, answer number 9th. Water crystals. How can we the crystal of copper sulfate be prepared from its impure sample? So it is given here. Page 47. So it starts from here. The crystals are the solid form of the compound that have definite geometrical shape. process of forming crystals of compound from its solution is called crystallization. It's answer number 9th, first part, and second part is here. This is answer number 9th. Second part, for this part you have to write the whole activity. The second part is the whole activity of answer number 9th. Next, answer number 10th. Iron red objects are reddish brown when exposed to air. So this answer is given on page 48. So answer you will start from here. 10th portion, A part. This reddish brown deposit is iron oxide, commonly known as rust. You will look at this figure 4.5. It is formed when the outer layer of the iron reacts with the air and moisture present in atmosphere. So this is answer number 10th, A part. Next, the cut surface of fruit and vegetable turn brown. This answer is given on page number 49. It is start from here. 10th answer, B part. Certain fruits and vegetables such as brinjal, potatoes and apple turn brown on being cut open and left for some time. This happens because of chemical reaction that occurs between the fruit surface of vegetable and atmospheric oxygen. The product of reaction is melanin, which is a brown pigment. Browning can be reduced or slowed down by soaking fruits in water due to solubility of oxygen in water. This is answer number 10th, B part. Next, the blue color of copper sulfate solution turns a sea green on addition of iron filling. Next, third answer, 10th, C part. It is given here. Copper sulfate solution CSO4 turns is a blue colored solution. You will write this answer till deposition of copper, and then you will write this equation. So this is our answer number 10th, C portion. Next, which gases evolve in the reaction between baking soda and vinegar? What happens when this gas is passed through lime water? So this answer is given on page number 50, 11th answer. Here, first you will write this part. This is the first part. The gas produces carbon dioxide. This is first part. Then for second part you will start from here. The word equation can be written as vinegar plus baking soda give rise to carbon dioxide plus water plus other substance. This is second part, and then you will write carbon dioxide being produced through lime water is a chemical which can be represented, and this is your third part. So they will write this answer in the parts. Next, write word equation for the following answer. burning of magnesium in presence of oxygen. So this answer is given on page 47. You have to just write the wordly equation. So we'll write this. Magnesium plus oxygen give rise to magnesium oxide. This is 12th A. Then for 12th B, rusting of iron. So we'll write this answer 12th B. Iron plus oxygen plus water give rise to iron oxide. This is answer number 12th B. Then 12th C. Reaction of copper sulfate with iron fillings. So it is given on page 50. This answer you will write copper sulfate plus iron give rise to iron sulfate plus copper. This is 12th C. Okay. Next, last answer. Why do iron filling acquire a reddish brown deposit? So this answer is same as answer number 10th C. So this answer is same as answer number 10th C. So you will write this answer. For 13th answer you will write from here copper sulfate till this equation. This is your answer number 13. So complete this question answers in your copy with very neat and clean handwriting. Next, what diagrams you have to make? So diagram you have to make this this is the diagram you have to make. Next, this tables you will write in your copy. First table, then this table also, and finally you will write this table in your copy. I think so activity only you write this one. This activity you write in your copy, so it will be an answer also and your activity also. Only this much you have to write in your copy. So complete the copy as soon as possible.